6:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This conducted at this variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: receiver in perfect working order: Clayton, Cobb, to provide the most consistent warning service possible. The warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of each. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. Georgia counties. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Greene, Hancock, Henry, Jasper, Jones, Limmer, Monroe, Morgan, Newton, Oconee. The following reports are Tolliver and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.